Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note Edge, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, the first thing we will need to do is turn off our device, and we can do so by holding the power button. Now when you start holding it, you will get the crappy AI that no one asks for. Ignore it, as we all do. And after a moment, you will get the boot options. From here, select power off. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. Now, if the device doesn't start to boot up in like first 5 to 10 seconds, you can let go of them and start holding them again. And yep, this seems to work. Now, when you see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power button, as when you hold it for too long, it actually will forcibly shut down the device. Now, you can see we are in the recovery mode. So in this mode, you'll need to use volume buttons to navigate. So volume down will navigate down, and up subsequently go up. And power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Going over the available options, we have things like Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Reboot to bootloader, which will take us to fastboot mode. There is no bootloader. We also have the dedicated fastboot mode with a couple options in there. There are things like recovery mode. We have in the actual fastboot mode, we have bootloader mode, which again takes us to a different version of a fastboot mode. We have recovery mode, and we have, I think, Reboot System Now and power off as the options. Now next, we have wipe data, just a factory reset of the device, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So these are all the options we can access here. Now I'm going to stick with the first one, confirm it, and like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.